Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Skepsis. First of all, I want to thank each one of you for subscribing and spreading the word of this channel. We already reached 50 subscribers. We're halfway to our goal. If everyone just brings one more subscriber, we will reach that immediately. Then we will do the giveaway. We will stream it online. I propose about 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It will be 8 p.m. in Greece, where most of our subscribers are, West US and Greece. Let me know below down in the comments if you propose another time. I want to see the majority of time that would work for everybody. And after said that, I had some problems with the word giveaway. Apparently, Google has it as a synonym, has it blacklisted with a scam. So I had to go to the spam folder to find the responses from you guys with your Cardano address. All in all, I think I have everybody's address. I have about 18, I believe, up until now. Even YouTube has some weird problem with the comments. I don't see all the comments. Some of them are omitted, and I get them on the notification on my email, thankfully. So thanks again for all that. Thanks again. You guys are awesome. So let's go today and talk about the Nami wallet and how to buy and sell NFTs on the Cardano NFT IO space. The first thing we have to do is create a Nami wallet. This is created by Alessandro of Berry Pool. We thank him so much for this effort. It's a beautiful wallet, very lightweight, and it can be integrated to many websites. So here it has some information. What is Nami wallet? If it's compatible with Daedalus, yes and no. It can only track one address at a time, whereas Daedalus and Yoroi, the wallets have multiple addresses. There is no cost to using it. You can import multiple wallets, but as sub-accounts. You can stake only to the Berry Pool from this wallet. And talking a little bit about collateral and smart contracts, which is not available yet on this wallet. But right now we're interested in buying and selling NFTs, non-fungible tokens. We hear about the hype. There's a huge hype about NFTs at this moment. And I would like to show you how to get yourself exposed to it. But be cautious. There are scammers. There is a hype. I personally am not greatly invested in the NFT space. I just want to know about it. So let's go ahead and download the plugin for this specific browser. So we click here. We add to Brave, add the extension. It has been added to Brave. So now we can go to the extensions and click Nami Wallet. And you have this welcome screen. And you can either create a new wallet or import one of your own ones. So let's create a new wallet. I accept the terms of service. No one is watching the screen. I will delete the wallet after this video is finished, before I publish it. So now I have to write down these 24 words. So now I have written down those 24 words, and I can check here and click ahead. And now I have to enter those 24 words again to verify that I have them. Now that we have written those words, we can go ahead and click next and create an account. Let's just name this account CHR. Password can be something that we remember, but at the same time is a little hard to guess. Creating the account. Account is created. Of course, no assets. Let's go and receive some assets. So this is the address. I copy it. And then I can go to my Yoroi and say, this is my address that I want to send to, I want to send 10 ASKP tokens because I want to put them on the marketplace. So here, like we said before, we have to pay 1.44 as a collateral. This is going to travel with, to get transferred with. Eventually we can get this back, but this one is the only fees that we never get back because it's given to the validators, the stake pool operators. The transaction is successfully sent. So now we see that the 10 Skepsis test tokens have arrived. You can also view the image that has been initiated with this token. And now I want to try to sell some NFT, some non-fungible token. You can go buy and sell NFTs on the Cardano blockchain on this website, cnft.io. The first thing we have to do is create an account. So we go to login. If we don't have an account, then we have to create one. Let's say the username can be Christos Pal. My address can be this one, password, and then I agree to the terms of service and register. So once we log in, we want to connect our wallet with this marketplace. So we go to wallets, we go to add wallet, and we can either connect a wallet, a Euro wallet or any other wallet through this payment. We send this amount and we will get it back. But we can also connect the Nami directly because it's a plugin. So all you have to do is sign it. So you don't have to add your pending password. The wallet is connected. Now we can go to home. We can say, let's buy tokens. Let's see what they have. They have all sorts of NFTs. Oh wow, look at this. This goes for 10,000 Cardano. Wow. I don't know. I would never buy something like that just from a marketplace, but some people buy it and then sell them and make money. I don't know. I'm just here to show you how this is done. And that's all. Then if we want to sell, you go to sell. And then what do we have? We have this token here. Okay, let's go sell it. Let's go sell this token. We have, this is 1 out of 100,000 that were minted initially. Let's go sell it. How much? I don't know. 9 Cardano. Confirm. It's listed. So now people can go find it and they can buy it. And depending on the monetary policy, you will get royalties from whenever it is sold after that. I think that was it about the cnft marketplace. So here you can buy and sell NFTs. You have to be careful. Some of them don't have any real value. Some of them might be collectible in the future. But that's what this is all about. This is the hype of NFTs at this moment. One last thing I want to share with you is how to send your assets out of this Nami wallet. And you have to be very careful to have a balance here, because when you send a native token over the Cardano network, it always has to have 1.44 tokens accompanied with it. So if I go to send and then I paste my address, and I want to send an asset. Let's say this. You can't really see it here. It says quantity here. You have to add the number here. So I'm going to add, let's say, 10 here. And immediately you see that it's going to try to send also 1.44. But I also want to empty this wallet. So I need to add the 2 Cardanos that I have sent for gas fees, transaction fees here. I also want to subtract this number from that final number. So let's open a calculator and do 2 Cardano that I have minus 0.173201 equals 182. Then I add 1.444443. That gives me this number, 3.27. So instead of this amount, I will send this amount to clean my wallet. Password, of course. So now in a few seconds, when the blockchain verifies my transaction, I expect to have 0 Cardano and 0 Skepsis test on this wallet. Cool. So now my wallet is emptied out. This has nothing. And that is exactly what I wanted to do, because I'm going to publish this video. I don't want people to try to waste their time trying to find if there is anything left in this wallet and whatnot. That was it. That was the sending function of this wallet. I apologize for having my video in front of the Nami wallet. I think that the upper right corner has more action than the lower left. So we move it there now. You didn't miss anything. I think everything was shown, except that when you click on the asset here, that just shows the picture and the policy and the asset address. Other than that, everything else was shown okay. The receive button is here where you can click the address to copy, and the send button is here. So everything else was fine. I apologize about that. That was it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching and subscribing to my channel. We are already at 50 subscribers. We just need another jump like that to have another 50, and then we reach our goal. This is Christos from cloudy Washington in the Pacific Northwest. See you soon.